So this is day 2 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 real business question in Power BI. So if you have not seen the day 1 video, just go on my channel and watch that. And let's learn and practice together in this video. So let's start now. So guys, this is my Power BI home page. Okay, I'm connecting my data from my PostgreSQL database. You will get all the data link in my video description. You can go through that link. You will get all the data on my GitHub profile. Okay, so let's search here PostgreSQL. It will take some time guys, so be with me. In the server name, write here localhost. And the database name is 100 question series. Okay, now let's click on OK. So if you want to know something about like Power BI, SQL or any kind of question related to data analytics, you can directly DM me on my LinkedIn profile guys. So my PostgreSQL database has been connected here. You can see here we got the two tables with the name of customers and the orders. Okay, so let's load it to the Power BI. So it's being loaded here. I hope you are practicing with me. If you will practice here, it will really benefit you. Okay, so let it load here. So our data has been loaded. So let me show you the data first. So this is our customer table here. In customer table we have these columns like customer ID, customer name, segment, region and sign up date. So let me show you the orders table here. In order table we have 4 column here with the name of order ID, customer ID, order date and amount. Okay, so now let me show you the model view here. As we have two table here, so we have to build a relationship between these two tables to do any kind of analysis. So it has been already done here. As you can see, our data has been connected with each other by their customer ID. It is one to many relationship. Okay, the cardinality is one to many. So the relationship is already been built here. So now let me show you the question that we are going to solve today in this video. So let me open the report view. So this is day 2 of 100 real business question series in Power BI. The question is that create a column chart showing number of orders from each region for Q1 2024. Okay, so for this I am going to create a measure here to get the total orders in Q1 2024. Okay, so let's create here on new measure. Sorry guys. Now right here total orders in Q1 2024 is equal to, I am using here calculate method. The expression will be count. The column name is order ID. In our order table, it will give us the total number of orders here. Okay, the filter is on, we want the order only from January 2024 Q1. Okay, so let's take here the date. Order date is greater than equal to date 2024. Month will be 01 and the day is 01. Okay, and again order date less than equal to date, the month will be 24, year will be 24, the month will be March and the date is 31st. So this is the quarter 1 from January 1st to 31st of March. So let's run this here. So our measure has been created here with the name of total orders. Yeah, let me rename it So total orders in Q1 2024. Okay. So now let's start the question here. Like we have to create a column chart showing the number of orders from each region for Q1 2024. For that I am taking a cluster chart here, clustered column chart. As you can see here, in customers table I am taking region on my x-axis and the total orders for Q1 2024 on my y-axis. So let me format this chart. Let me show you the data labels here. The data labels has been shown here. Let me increase the size to 14. Yeah, the data labels has been shown here. As you can see, the highest number of orders are in south region, which is 6, and the lowest numbers of orders is in west region, which is 4th, and the east and the north region have the equal orders, which is 5 and 5. So this is all about this question, day 2 of 100 real business question series in Power BI. You will get all the related data in my GitHub profile. You can go through the link given in description. So I hope guys this question will really put an impact in your Power BI learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. We will meet in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.